Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a tutorial on using conditional statements with Python pandas. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis in Python, and it provides a variety of ways to filter and manipulate data based on conditions. Let's start with some basics. Make sure you have pandas installed by running. Now, let's create a simple data frame to work with. This will create a data frame with columns name, age, and salary. Now, let's explore some conditional operations. These are just a few examples of what you can do with conditional statements in pandas. The flexibility of pandas allows you to perform complex data manipulations and analysis with ease. Experiment with different conditions and see how you can tailor them to your specific data analysis needs. ChatGPT.